new in WORKPRO's power tool lineup is the 20-volt cordless impact wrench. It's the ideal workhorse for use in automotive repair, equipment maintenance, and much more, delivering a whopping 320 foot-pounds of torque at a speed of up to 3,200 RPM. It features a half-inch chuck, variable speed trigger control, and bright LED lamps to illuminate work areas. The kit includes one 2-amp-hour battery for all-day battery life, a 1-hour fast charger, and a removable belt clip. WORKPRO. Build a better project.
Milwaukee high torque impact gun. It's a lot of power. It's a lot stronger than even using the corded half-inch.
Breaks every bolt. I put it on free. It's got lots of torque. That's what I like. Lots of torque.
The Milwaukee high torque wrench has replaced all my air tools. I love it. I don't have an air line dragging behind me.
1,400 pounds in reverse to break bolts free is like awesome. And then 1,000 pounds going back on. I don't worry about it coming back loose.
The 4-mode drive control is very important, so we're not over-torquing smaller fittings and we're applying plenty of torque to the larger fittings.
It's balanced real well. It was strong. You know, it's a lot faster.
It's light, powerful, and it makes my job go faster.
I work twice as fast. Now I just grab the gun and go.
The Milwaukee high torque, for the power that it's delivering, the size is perfect. The compactness is very helpful getting around tight spaces.
When I'm using the fuel high torque wrench, I can get in a lot more spaces, tighter corners, versus my air tools.
The Milwaukee Tool high torque wrench, it makes my job easier, makes my job faster. I got everything I need right in one tool.
This high torque Milwaukee tool is extremely tough. It does the job.
My name is Nathan Bebo. I work at STS in Clinton, New Jersey. We do an average of 250 to 300 tires a week. I haven't come across anything that hasn't taken off of a car. This thing rips the lug nuts off of them like it's nobody's business. It's been dropped, it's been slid across the floor. I mean, I've left it underneath a car before just to run over it and see if I could break the thing, and it still works fine to this day.
I'm Tom. I work here in Annandale for Ingersoll Rand. The hope for this tool is, with all the endurance testing we do on it, that if you're still working 10 years from now, this tool is still going to be running, putting out the power that it had the first day you bought it.
Quite frankly, if we've been using you guys for 15, 14 years, 15, however long it is, you're doing something right.
We're not in the business to be releasing a tool that could have been better. We want the best of the best. We want better than anybody else.